Hello traders, this is video part 2 of the Gold Vertias EA discussion. I have shared this EA on the trade-e.com website. This EA does not use the Martingale and grid system. Current balance is 1058.00 USD, with an initial capital of $1,000. One trading week there were 3 transactions that occurred. First loss 14 USD. Both profit 19.93 USD, and the third 53.06 USD. This is trading result from broker exness. You can use a trusted broker that I recommend in the video description. And to run this expert advisor, you need to use a VEPS with low latency specifications. You can try it for free. If a pop-up update appears like this, don't update, just click later. The expert advisor will still run. For the preset I use default. Lot size will adjust to the balance. Every balance 50 dust. Then the lot will increase by 0.01. For the details, I will switch to the Martingale 5 account. Drawdown that ever happened was only 0.7%. Total profit 6%. This is the result of Forex trading using Gold Vertias for 1 week. Capital used $1,000. Profit 58.99 USD. I just ran last week in April. The biggest drawdown is 14 USD. The average trading duration is 35 minutes, but the last trade read here can be up to 1 day. Of course, these results are still not very accurate because it's only been 1 week. Only 3 trades per week. Percentage of profit 50% win. This expert advisor is for gold only, but you can also try trading other currencies. Okay, so here is the discussion of part 2 about the advantages of Forex trading using Gold Vertias EA.